So here we are in Zionsville, Indiana at the Indianapolis West Side RC Modelers Flying Site. Now this particular site is a little bit different quality than what I might be used to flying at. And to be honest with you, judging by the condition of the runway and the clubhouse or field house, it kind of looks like it's probably been abandoned. Really doesn't look like very many people have flown here recently. Now, other interesting features of this site is that it does have a paved runway, but right across the runway looks to be a quarry of some sort. And just beyond this quarry area is an actual airport, which is an interesting combination to have model airplanes flying alongside the real thing. In either case, I've come all this way. Despite the unusual layout and condition of the field, flying conditions are actually pretty good, darn near perfect. So, that being said, the F9f5 is lined up on the end of the runway. Motor is armed, and we are clear for takeoff. We are in the air, landing gear is up, flaps are up, and it is flying just as beautifully as normal. And because I'm a guest, and this is kind of a weird site to fly in, I'm not going to stay in the air too long. I'm going to get a couple of passes, a high altitude pass, get a little distance out, come around, get a little bit closer to the ground, one more loop around, and like I said, despite the conditions of the flying site, the conditions are actually pretty good. And the space that I have to fly in is deceptively large. I'm used to a larger kind of in the middle of nowhere layout, but this spot is, there's space. So we'll do another couple of passes and get ready to line up for landing. And we get a full-scale plane in the background taking off. So that being said, I'm going to drop my landing gear. Nice smooth circuit around for our approach. And looks like coming from that direction is not really going to work, so we're going to come from the other direction. Plenty of room, nice smooth circuit, and as soon as we come out of the 180, we drop the flaps, drop her down to idle. And we got to take off because we overshot the runway. Flaps go up, we turn it around, and we're going to try that again. Bring her down a little bit sooner. There we go. Oh! A little bit of a rough landing, but we got her on the ground. And we're not going to taxi this time because it looks like we may have damaged our nose gear. We definitely threw our canopy, because this was a tricky spot to land in. And Mr. Bray is over there, so we should probably go over there and say hi to him over here. Hi, Mr. Bray.